So what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you some cool and legit ways you can actually use to go onto self-clicking on Adsterra and go on to making some cool cash right here. As you can see right here, I already have some cool balance right now just by doing some self-clicking strategy. All you need to do is to watch this video, learn this strategy, utilize that and make some cool cash online. And guys, if you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing and how to make money online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are lots of videos that can actually help you go into boosting your income online. Watch such videos and utilize the strategy in those videos right now. You could also come right here, subscribe to the channel and make sure your notification bell is turned on all so that you always get alerted whenever I release some videos that could help boost your income online. With that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. So the first thing which you actually want to do is to come onto a platform like Adsterra to go on to signing up to Adsterra. It's quite easy to sign up. If you do click on sign up, you will find out that you can sign up as an advertiser, as a publisher or as an affiliate. But what you want to take note of is to sign up as a publisher right here. So make sure you go on to sign up as a publisher right now. You just need to provide your basic details and go on to signing up for an account on this platform. And the first way which you can actually go on to self-clicking and maybe completing your offers yourself is to actually go onto the referral section right here, and you already have an invite link in this section. So you could just simply click on generate invite right here and you'll be able to get an invite link right here. As you can see, you refer new publishers to Adsterra and earn 5% of their revenue in lifetime right here. So right here guys, if you're actually referring new individuals, you can actually just simply come right here, copy this particular link right now and actually go on to maybe this particular platform, which is temp mail right now, which is temp-mail.org. If you head onto this platform, you can actually use this to go on to creating another account using this simple referral link right here. And supposing you are actually sent an email that will actually help you activate that account, it is quite easy because you'll be able to get an activation email in this section, because you'll be able to receive your emails right here for this particular temporary email address, which is this email in this particular section. So utilize that right here because we're going to be using two accounts right now for this self-clicking. So basically what you want to do right now is to actually head back to Adsterra right here. You can click on direct link and you can just simply see that I have two active direct links right now. For you to go into creating one, come right here, click on create direct link. You want to select the non-adult right here so as to remove erotic ads and click on add, and your direct link will actually be added right here. Once your direct link has been added, you can copy the link and go on to utilizing that. But before doing self-clicking your offers right here, the first thing which you actually want to do is to go on to adding some cool extensions to your Chrome browser. So just simply go on Google, search for Chrome extension or Chrome store. You can actually go into the Chrome store, make sure on this extension section, and you want to just simply search for some extensions right here. So the first one right here is the auto refresh. So select the auto refresh plus right now, make sure there is an extension right here, and this is the first extension right here. So what this actually helps you do is to refresh each page maybe every 15 seconds or something related to that. So you want to just simply click on add to Chrome and add extension. This is actually the first extension we are actually going to use, and this will be added right here in about a minute or less than that. So as you can see right here, the extension has been added. I'm just going to go back right now and go on to searching for another extension right now. So the next one which I'm actually going to search for right now is the clear cache. So if you just search for this right here, you'll be able to see the extensions right here which you can actually go on to utilizing right here. So you want to just simply download one of this clear cache right here. I'm just going to select this one right here and go on to adding to Chrome. So once I do click on add to Chrome, I'm just going to add extension and utilize this right now. So basically guys, you want to add these remaining extensions right here to your Chrome browser, such as the fingerprint spoofing, web RTC control, web RTC leak shield, and the random user agent. Add each and every one of these extensions to your Chrome browser. So right now guys, we're actually going to go on to setting up our extension. You want to right click on this right here and you want to just simply click on. So basically guys, select the extension. You want to just simply select this and just simply go to selecting the options right
here. Allow, then paste your direct link.
Once you do select that, it's going to bring you to a page such as this, where you can actually increase this refresh time to about maybe 18 seconds right here. And for the auto start right now, you want to just simply allow. I'm going to paste in your direct link right here in this section. So I'm just going to head back to this section, copy that direct link, and actually head back to that particular page. So you want to do, paste in that link right here, and you also want to just simply allow this right now. So guys, you want to head onto this section which is predefined, and right now you want to just simply allow this particular stuff right now and paste in your direct link right here in this section. So once you're done with this, you're actually done with this page right here. Then you want to just simply select that particular extensions right now, and you want to just simply go onto this clear cache section, and you want to select options. It's going to bring you right here to this page right here, and you want to just simply remove app cache storage. You want to just simply clear almost all these documents right here. So just simply highlight them right now, and once you're actually done with this right here, you want to leave this page as it is right here. So guys, once you're done with all that, just make sure you actually do have a VPN, and I'm just gonna have open my VPN right now, and you can see right here my VPN is actually coming on. So basically what you want to do right now guys is to copy your Adsterra direct link from this section. Once you now copy the link right here, head back to this particular new tab, paste in that particular link, and just simply click on enter. What you want to do is to actually head on to your extensions, and you want to just simply go to selecting the auto refresh extension. So all you need to do to select that extension right now, and you just simply have to edit this to how many seconds you want, the time interval right now. You can leave this on 15 seconds or set a time interval which you actually do want. So I'm going to change this to 15 seconds right here, and I'm just going to click on start right now. So guys, every 15 seconds right here, this page is actually going to go on to reloading, and it's actually going to go on to utilizing a different IP address right now, because I am actually using the clear cache. So the more I actually clear my cache, the more it actually goes on to completing my offer every 15 seconds, and I'm just going to be making some cool cash using this. So this is a very unique strategy right now. As you can see the countdown right here, every 15 seconds this page is actually going to go on to loading up. So you can actually do this for as many accounts as you can right here to actually go on to getting some cool cash, because you actually do get paid per click right here for this particular offer. So you may actually want to just be using a different IP address and different network to go on to loading and reloading this page, and you're going to be earning money with this direct Adsterra direct tricks of clicking strategy. So utilize this and make money online. If the video was helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.